Great to see you guys today. We're going to do Papa Hipi Pango. All right? So you have to repeat after me. Do you know it's the same thing as, it's the same song as that song, Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? All right? But it's Papa. You have to repeat after me. Papa Hipi Pango. And then this one's funny. Woodoo, woodoo. See, look at my lips. Woodoo, woodoo. Your turn. Woodoo, woodoo. Woodoo, woodoo, eh? Aida, 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 Aida. E toru, e toru. Peke ki. E toru peke ki. 3 bags. And this is who the bags are for. Tahi, mate, mahita. Do you know what? Mahita means teacher. And we say kaiako now, but when I was growing up, we used to say mahita. I think there's a macron on the A, but I missed it out. Tahi, mate, kui. So one for the teacher and one for the old lady. Tahi, mate, tamariki, and one for the little children. All right? Iti tonu e. Okay, here we go. Papa hipi pango toru. Pa. Papa hipi pango wuru wuru e. Aira, aira e toru peke ki. Tahi mate mahita, tahi mate kui. Tahi mate tamariki iti tonu e. So the last bag is for all the little children. Papa hipi pango wuru wuru e. Aira, aira e toru peke ki. Tahi mate mahita, tahi mate kui. Tahi mate tamariki iti tonu e. Ka kite anō.